Dog's like a laser if you get him lined up.
I know it. I'm hoping he sees that white disc out there and I can just say, back.
Heel. Get him to go between those for that long one. Gives you a good initial line. Sit. Sit. Ha!
He's like a friggin' arrow. Really? Trouble is, he's not giving it 100% effort.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, nice job.
Keep bopping around out there.
Yeah.
Oh, too bad he showed that lack of confidence there on the ridge.
Good! Did you get one? Yep. Oh no, he's coming in with that one.
With a bumper.
That ruined everything.
There went first place.
I did that at Northern Utah. I was running Zoe's mother on a blind. I went back 2 whistles out to this blind in the dusk, out in this tall sagebrush. She got there, I blew a whistle, she sat down. I went beep beep, and she dipped her head like this and started in. I'm going, judge is going, that was a nice job, that was a nice job. She came over a ridge right here with nothing. I'm going, what kind of a goddamn dog comes all the way in because you go beep beep?
That's a good question. Usually they move 2 steps and sit back down.
Heel.
Sometimes when you're trying to go and wish the field count was that coming week, other times you say, shit, we'll never get ready.
I don't think you'll have a whistle now.
Pretty tough act to follow.
He's going this one, though.
Well, if you would slow him
banana,
down,
isn't it?
Yeah, a little too much banana.
Yeah, this
Too
way.
much banana.
if you would slow him down a little bit, Mike, you can keep up with
It's
the
hard to
camera. I
zoom.
can't keep
This
up with
zoom
him.
is so his zoom is so slow it won't keep up with the dog. Good.
Big ditch right there.
Julie, he needs a new camera because the zoom on this one's too slow for Dusty.
You get one of those miniature
You're gonna have
DVDs.
to get the new mini DVs. Thanks, guys. I needed that.
If I were you, Mike, I would delete that part before she's seen it.
Back. Oh, he's curving now.
Let's see what he does here.
Oh, gonna have to handle.
Too bad.
Handle.
Nope.
Move him over. Don't let him think that that's okay.
Nice. He took the handle good, didn't he?
Yep.
Well, I'm glad you had a whistle. Now we're talking.
Well,
That was pure handler error right
He's
up here.
He's out. He went out and shot beyond the parameters of the blind. 2
Good.
perfect blinds and he screws up on the last one.
You know, the thing is, I was talking about him before you got here, and I said he's running open class land blinds. I mean, he locks in like a laser, and if you have to handle it, you actually will.
He'll stop for you?
Give him
You know,
an over and he's gone.
The thing is, most dogs that run really, really good, strong lines, they don't handle very good.
Yeah.
Because they don't...
Here.
They don't
Well, I've never ran blinds that long with him ever before.